Good morning. It is 6 o'clock in the morning and it's snowing again. But this time it's flurries, like really bad. So let's go ahead and start getting ready for the day, and then I'm gonna take you guys outside. Dress for the day. I have my hair done, my skincare done, and more likely later on, after I have my coffee and everything, I will go ahead and perhaps do some light makeup, but I'm not really counting on it. So let's go get some coffee and take my male dog outside. Make coffee and take all my vitamins. anymore, but let's do the dishes and try to cook some breakfast because I'm hungry and so is my husband and my kid.
眼神如晴空无云，掌心刻着微微诗句，怕读太击碎在手心，将你藏进炉火之谜，时光摇晃成碎烬，触碰前收回的勇气，比拥有更像我自己。原来思念是
Oh my god.
There's not a lot of snow, but
Yeah, be careful you don't. We still have to do laundry. Oh, girls. Well, it is snowing like crazy outside, but I gotta do laundry. But let me show you how it's looking outside, because this is crazy, okay?
Hey, Dr. Bolt, you want to play the snowbird with me?
While my kids fight about whether or not there's going to be school on Monday, which we already know that's not gonna happen, I'm gonna go ahead and fold all of these clothes, which is really not that many. It's just my husband's work clothes and my son's school clothes.
水街头，霓虹闪烁眼眸，手中酒杯饮透，却品不出那醇厚。身旁喧嚣游走，内心却似孤舟。想开口说些什么，却被沉默轻扣。回忆如影在手，思念疯长成舟。那些过往的愁，像雾弥漫了心头。本想借酒消忧，却更添了烦忧。醉不在酒，那是爱残留。风在耳边轻吼，像在把故事拼凑。我在这城市的口，等待着谁的拯救。醉不在酒，是你温柔眼眸，在我心中住。
It doesn't seem like it's ever going to stop snowing, and my girls are loving the snow. Ladies! It's a really snowy day. I gotta give props to the meteorologist today because it's very snowy. But I gotta stop playing with the snow. My kids and my husband are up front. They're doing a snowman, I believe. But I gotta stop whatever I'm doing and I gotta start going back inside and start heating up because I do have to cook. I gotta cook for these people. But I'm doing rigatoni with sausage and pasta sauce. So I'm doing a simple meal for today. Guys! Simple meal for today. Also, fun story. My oldest was throwing herself in the snow and she forgot she had the phone in her pocket. It took us 10 minutes to find the phone. 10. That's how dumb teenagers be nowadays.
入手，如今覆满了沟，爱已走到尽头，我还在原地守。月光洒落肩头，像霜覆盖哀愁，醉意渐渐上头，思绪却更浓稠。不想再去追究那些爱恨情仇，醉不在酒，是情难放手。醉不在酒，是你温柔眼眸，在我心中。
Time to make rigatoni with Italian sausage and pasta sauce.
在时光里停留，把我心伤透。醉不在酒，是你温柔眼眸，在我心中驻守，让我无法远走。醉不在酒，是那旧梦难收，在时光里停留，把我心伤透。
Y'all, it is currently 3:22 p.m. So far, we have gotten 8.5 inches of snow. So at least for once in our lives, the weatherman wasn't wrong. But when is it gonna stop snowing? Because it's still snowing. You know what? I'm gonna take a bath. I'm gonna take a nice, relaxing bath, I guess. Hold on.
Can we move objects without touching? Can we communicate clairvoyantly?
I am currently editing videos because honestly there's nothing else to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave you guys with more snowfall. Because why not? Snowfall is beautiful until it pisses me off. Literally. So the girls are not having it, even though that is so peaceful outside. Currently on a mission because we are hungry and we want to go get some food, but it's still snowing and it's freezing. So we're trying to remove the snow from one of the cars to try and see if we can just make it out of the driveway. Let's go. Mission accomplished. Back home, mission failed. The place was closed, so we gotta find out what we're gonna cook now. And it's still snowing. It's already 6 p.m. What the heck?
Bye. Okay, the dogs finished playing outside. I am back inside. I just took the hottest shower ever because it is completely freezing outside. And so, long story short, we tried going out. We should have called prior to leaving the house, but we didn't. And halfway through there, we decided to call the place, and it turns out that they were closed. We should have done that since the first time, since the beginning. It would have saved us so much time. Mind you, I busted my butt trying to get back into the house when we got back. Okay? Look at my car right there at the ditch. And it's still snowing. I hate it here. I was saying I'm gonna go ahead and try to find something to eat because I am extremely hungry and I have not found anything yet. I believe my husband was making French fries, and I believe there's a little bit of leftover pasta from today's dinner, but we will see because my kids were also looking for food. But I don't know what my husband is cooking. So let me go downstairs and I'll be back in a few, I guess. we just had a nice little family meal. We had some fried chicken, some french fries, and leftover pasta. We did the dishes, got the dogs out, and now we're gonna go lay down and watch a movie. My husband, my son, the 2 dogs, and myself. My other girls have the other dogs, and they are doing their own things. You know, teenagers. But whatever, I hope you guys have enjoyed this little snowy, very snowy day. Just as much as we did as a family. You guys can see that we had extra fun today. So till next time, I will see you guys again.
Bye.